So in this video we're gonna see how we can install Python in our system so that we can start writing code using Python. So for that we have to go to the official site python.org, and then we have to go to the download section, and from here we can download the latest version for our system. So currently I am using Windows, so here we can download for Windows. So we have to click on this download button and our download will be started. Now we can also download this for other operating system also, like we can download this for Linux or Mac OS also. So once the download is completed, then we have to install this. So installing Python is pretty easy and straightforward. So here we have the installation setup. So first of all we're gonna check this so that Python will be added to the environment path so that we can access Python from all the folders of our system. So here we can go for simple installation or we can customize the installation. For now I'm gonna go with the simple installation. So we have to click here and you can see the installation is in progress. So once the installation is successful, then we're gonna close this. Now we have to check if Python properly installed or not. So for this we're gonna open the command prompt. Now here inside the command prompt you have to run the command python -- version, and you can see here it shows the version of the Python that is installed in our system. And also we can use Python 3 version also to check if that is installed properly or not. So clearly Python is properly installed in our system. Now we can start writing code using the Python. So here we can use the Python command, and here it will open the Python console. From here we can run our Python commands. So here we can add two numbers, or even we can print something. So print welcome to Python. So you can see directly we can run our commands in the Python console. Now this is of course not the right way to code. So for this we need to have some sort of code editor. Like in example we can use the VS Code. So currently I am having VS Code installed in my system, or also you can use PyCharm or any other notebooks as per your choice. Now here in the VS Code editor I'm gonna create one new file, hello.py. So the Python file should end with the extension .py, and now we can write our Python code right here. So here I'm gonna print welcome to Python, and now to execute that Python code we have to use the command. So here in the terminal we have to use Python and then after the space the name of the file, which is hello.py, and then press enter, and you can see we have this output welcome to Python. So this way we can install Python in our system, and then we can start writing Python in any of the code editor. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.